Today, we are here at the very dead Chula Vista Center Mall here in Chula Vista, California. There's your glass Montgomery Vector service corridor. And here it is. So this is a Montgomery Vector that has now since been modded. It was modded in about 2010 with ERM. Garbage. Bell now does not work. Replace the indicator. Oops, wrong button. I hit the alarm bell by accident. Cabio. Very nice elevator. Except, this thing got modded with ERM. Montgomery was better. That's just a bad spot for the alarm bell. Yeah, bell does not work. Let's listen to the motor. Here at 2. We're gonna send this down to 1 and then we're gonna watch it outside. So let's just note the fact of that. There's your pit. Montgomery interlock. And there it goes back down. And that is it.